Hi, this is the Bright Star 2 AAA COB headlamp. The headlamp runs on 2 AAA batteries. Has a large push button switch for on and off. 2 levels of light. The cloth strap is designed to be worn on your head, or it can be used on a hard hat. The inside of the strap has some non-slip silicone, so when you have it on the hard hat, it won't slip off. Another feature of the headlamp is it has a mode that allows you to turn the light on and off and change light intensity with just a wave of your hand. That's the Bright Star 2 AAA COB headlamp.